What are the minimum system requirements to install Android LG WebOS TV?
Welcome to this video. Today, we will be discussing the minimum system requirements needed to install Android LG WebOS TV on your television. Let's dive into the details.
What is Android LG WebOS TV?
Android LG WebOS TV is a smart TV platform that combines the functionalities of both Android and LG's WebOS operating systems. It allows users to access a wide range of apps, games, and streaming services, as well as utilize voice controls and smart home integration.
Can my TV support Android LG WebOS TV?
In order to install Android LG WebOS TV, your television must meet the following minimum system requirements. 1. Brand and model: LG Smart TV with WebOS, 2018 or later models. 2. Processor: a minimum of a dual-core processor. 3. RAM: at least 1.5 GB of RAM. 4. Storage: a minimum of 4 GB of internal storage. 5. Internet connection: a stable and high-speed internet connection for seamless streaming and app usage. Please note that these are the minimum requirements, and better performance can be achieved with higher specifications.
How do I install Android LG WebOS TV?
Once you have confirmed that your television meets the minimum system requirements, follow these steps to install Android LG WebOS TV. 1. Turn on your LG Smart TV and connect it to the internet. 2. Access the LG Content Store from the main menu. 3. Search for Android LG WebOS TV in the search bar. 4. Select the app and click on Install. 5. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process.
What if my TV doesn't meet the minimum system requirements?
If your TV doesn't meet the minimum system requirements, you may consider purchasing an Android TV box or a Chromecast with Google TV to enjoy the benefits of Android LG WebOS TV on your current television. Now that you know the minimum system requirements for Android LG WebOS TV, you can determine whether your television is compatible or if you need to explore other options to access this platform. Enjoy your enhanced TV experience.